Hi everyone. Today we're talking about components of family history, how genograms are used, and how this is tested on the ASWB exam. What is family history? Family history is a way social workers learn about a client's family background and relationships. It usually includes family structure, who is in the family, including parents, siblings, and extended relatives. Health history, physical and mental health conditions in the family. Relationships, how family members interact, patterns of support or conflict. Life events, divorce, deaths, adoption, or major moves. Cultural or social background, traditions, values, and beliefs. What is a genogram? A genogram is a visual map of the family. It shows relationships, patterns, and medical or mental health history across generations. Social workers use it to identify patterns like repeated health issues, behavioral trends, or family strengths and challenges. How it's tested on the ASWB exam. Questions may describe a client and their family and ask, which tool a social worker should use? Answer: genogram, how family patterns might affect the client. Key idea: know that a genogram is used to organize family information visually and helps guide interventions. Quick tip: remember, family history equals information, genogram equals visual map. On the exam, think about how understanding family relationships helps a social worker plan support. For more practice questions, examples, and study guides, visit www.socialworkexamstrategies.com.